look like it's up. I think. I could have sworn I seen some drywall up. Well, I guess we'll find out in a few.
He's too cute.
Right?
Let's turn around.
But yeah, guys, look like drywall. Look like it's up, I think. So we're gonna circle back around and take a look at it and show you guys around if you can get in there. We should be able to. Look like they boarded up some windows. Hopefully the door is not locked or anything. But anyway, we're gonna go check it out. So even though the house next door is coming along, huh? Yeah. Okay, guys, here it is. Looks like they have drywall up, so we're gonna go inside and check it out. All right, yeah. Looking lovely. Last time we came, about a month ago or so, there was no drywall in yet, so now we have drywall. So we're gonna go check out inside, man, see what they got so far. But yeah, it's getting closer. I guess this is, I don't know if this is considered a mudroom. Could be wrong. But anyway, drywall, guys, drywall. Let's see. Okay. All right. So this is the laundry room. Guys, pardon the lack of light because of course they have the windows boarded up. So really can't see much in here. This is one of the bathrooms here. And bedroom. Yep. So it's crazy because we just met one of our neighbors, I guess. Or not neighbor, but someone that lives in the neighborhood that stopped by to say hi to us. That's seen our video on YouTube. Small world, man, it's crazy. Definitely, at least we know there's some nice and genuine people that live in the neighborhood here. So let's see what else. Well, we got some lighting back here, of course, because this is not boarded up yet, so have a little light shining through. So that's the space over there for the flex room, which is gonna be our office. We're gonna have to add a door on there. So as you can see, they will have to extend it out a little bit to put the door on. So, but anyway. Yeah, we took the trip down just to see if drywall was up, like I said, and it is. So we definitely look like we're on track. There you go, my wife back there. Being shy as usual. So there you go. But we have a lot of lighting. I didn't know there's what, like 5, 8, 9, almost 10. Wow. Do we have any in the living room? Just the one? Really? Huh. Interesting. Yeah, about 10 in the kitchen. Wow, okay. I did not realize we didn't add extra in the living room. Interesting. Okay. So let's see. So, let's see in here. Yeah, definitely looks much bigger for sure. So you guys see they have the windows boarded up. So it looks like windows supposed to get installed pretty soon. Or maybe, of course, because the drywall is in, they gotta make sure there's no rain that come in and wet the drywall. So, you know, have to secure that. But yeah. So of course there's really not much of an update here but the drywall, which of course it's definitely an update, what we're looking for. That's what we're expecting to come and see. So yeah. I'm gonna go on the other side real quick just to check out the master. So let's see. Is on. Yeah, the pantry. Yeah, exactly. That's one of the pet peeves. Yeah, guys, we have to show you the pantry. That's the only thing that we don't like too much about this house. The pantry is really small. Yeah, that's one thing we just don't like about it. But yeah, pardon the light, like I said. The lighting is very poor here. But yeah. So anyway, this is a closet. Closet looks pretty roomy. So let's see. So basically, yeah. So basically, the first thing is, of course, we have the drywall up. So that was definitely done. Of course, they finished the ventilation and the electrical wiring. And what else they did? Oh yeah, of course. Let's take a look on the outside here real quick. Say it again. Oh yeah, they add these little things by the window. So looks like they're just prepping the windowsill to get the windows in for sure. I noticed they added that at the edge too. I think it's just more.
Oh, that's gonna be screwed in.
Oh yeah, that is true. That is true. You are absolutely right. So it's supposed to be screened in out here. So they're also prepping that. But yeah, guys. So to take a look at the pantry, like I said, it's really small, which. Not really happy about, well, but we'll just make the best of it. I think we'll be able to. We might have to do, you know, a little project. Well, it's pretty high in there though. I know, right? What's all this? All that extra room up top in there. It's like. Well, we might have to do some shelves and just make it work. Just be creative, to be honest with you. But like I said, I guess that's the pantry.
I don't think too. This wall here,
Yeah, I think that's because of fridge.
Yeah.
Of course, the fridge got to go up against that wall. So, oh yeah, the other big thing is on the outside. So the other thing that they completed, of course, is getting the roof on completely, because the last time the shingles was not done. The last time we came here, it was looking like that house next door, right? And now they do have the shingles on. So the roof is definitely on now. I don't know if this is a good view from back here, but let's see if I can get a better angle from the side here. There we go. So now we have the shingles on. Roofing is completed. And now we're just waiting.
You're dancing. I thought you were
Why?
going that way.
Why you stop dancing?
I thought you was going the other way.
dancing because she's happy. It's a happy dance. I guess that's a happy dance, people.
Stop it. Get some help.
That is the happy dance right there. All right, guys, we're just getting back home, and it's kind of late, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. As far as showing you the drywall sheetrock that they have up in the new construction. So for the new 2022, gonna be posting a little bit more frequent. So hopefully you guys will enjoy our content. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want to be updated with all the new videos and everything that we're gonna be posting, and we really appreciate it. All right, I'll see you guys next time.